Welcome to our channel Master Math, and if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe and click onto the bell icon for all our notifications. Let's start our video.
Morning one and all. This is Shalaja. Here today's topic is heights and distances. Here the sum is the angle of elevation of top of hill as seen from 3 consecutive kilometer stone on a straight road not passing through the foot of the hill are alpha, beta, gamma respectively. Then prove that the height of the hill is 2 by cot square alpha plus cot square gamma minus 2 cot square beta whole power 1 by 2. Here angle of elevation means once you see the object from bottom to top. So here this is a height of the hill. You can take this is the height of the hill. Okay. Okay. Here this is the height of the hill. A is the foot and B is the top of that hill. So one straight road is there. Here this is straight road. Once you imagine this, here 3 consecutive points are there. So let us take this point is P. It makes some angle alpha. Alpha angle is elevation. No, elevation is given. So means P to B. You see that is alpha. And one more consecutive point is there that you take Q, and that it makes some angle beta. Angle of elevation from Q to top of the hill is beta, and one more point on the straight road, that is R. So that makes an angle of elevation is gamma from R to top of the hill, that is gamma. Here these 3 points are consecutive points, consecutive kilometer stone is there. So that means each PQ distance is 1 kilometer and QR distance is nothing but 1 kilometer. So means PR length is nothing but 1 plus 1 root 2. 1 plus 1 2 kilometers now. So okay, here from this triangle, once you observe this, from this triangle, from triangle APB, here this is nothing but height you take height of the hill is you take h meters, and here from this triangle APB triangle, in this you take a cot alpha. You know cot alpha is adjacent by opposite. Here the alpha opposite is h and adjacent is AP. Here it makes 90 degrees. No, means this highest length, that is nothing but BP is nothing but hypotenuse. Cot alpha is adjacent, that is AP by opposite, that is h. Then okay, then you take cross multiplication. What you get? AP equal to h cot theta, h cot alpha. Okay, like that you take another triangle. Then from triangle AQB triangle, there you collect cot beta. Cot beta. Here the adjacent side is AQ and opposite angle opposite side is h. Here also you take AQ. From cross multiplication you take AQ equal to h cot beta. Like that, here another triangle, that is from triangle what is that ARB. So there cot gamma I want now. Cot gamma is adjacent side AR by opposite is H. From this I want AR equal to H cot gamma. Okay, so you take here AP, AQ, AR values. After that, here you can take this triangle. What is that means? Triangle APQR. Here this is a 1 kilometer and 1 kilometer, no? So means Q is nothing but the midpoint of PR. So there you draw a perpendicular line. The AQ is nothing but altitude, no? So here AQ is nothing but median also. Okay. Here in this median, AQ median, no, you have to find out the median means you use one formula AQ equal to half of root AP square. Okay, 2 times AP square, no? Here this is 2 times AP square minus 2 times AR square, plus 2 times AR square minus PR square. So for finding a median, you use this formula, you know that already in geometry. AQ equal to half of 2 times this side, that is AP square, plus 2 times this side, that is AR square, minus PR square. So already all the terms are there. Here instead of AQ, okay, you write squaring on both sides. What you get? AQ square equal to, that is 1 by 4 here 2ap square plus 2ar square minus pr square. Okay, Nana? Then one by one we substitute. You know aq square is nothing but h square cot square beta equal to 1 by 4 of here. Okay, 1 by 4 of 2 times ap square. ap square means h square cot square alpha plus 2 times ar square. ar square means this h square cot square gamma minus PR square. Nana. PR square means that distance is 2 kilometers, no? So 2 square, that is 4 only. Understood? PR distance is 2. So that's why here in this bracket you take 2 common, then cancel with the 4. What you get? 1 by 2 you get. That 2 you take this side. Then the next step what you get? 2h square cot square beta equal to, here 2 take common no, here. What you get? H square cot square alpha plus h square cot square gamma minus 2 only. Understood, ma? Here 2 take common, then cancel with the 4, no? The remaining after cancellation you get 2, no? That you take this side. Then 2h square cot square beta. After that, here you take h square common. What you get? Cot square alpha plus cot square gamma. And this term you take that side. What you get? Minus 2 cot square beta equal to 2. Is it correct? Already these terms you take this side, and this 2h square cot square beta I take that side, ma. 2 already h square common, no? Simply you write 2 cot square beta, and that minus 2 take this side, that is 2 only. I want here, I have to show this here, the height of the hill is, means I want to find out here only h. h equal to root 2 by cot square alpha plus cot square gamma minus 2 cot square beta whole power 1 by 2. Once you observe this, ma, h square equal to 2 by all this you write in the denominator. I want to find out here h, no? So that's why square root on both sides, that is root 2 by cot square alpha cot square gamma here. Cot square gamma minus 2 cot square beta whole power 1 by 2. Root, no? So that's why. So okay, here this is the solution for this question. Thank you.